Our sincere tribute and honor to Shri Subrat Kumar Chatterjee, Scientist F, Senior Director, IT, on the eve of his superannuation. Born and raised in Cuttack, you completed your matriculation from Ravenshaw Collegiate School, Cuttack. You went on to earn your intermediate science and BSc Physics honours from Stewart Science College, Cuttack in 1981 and 1983 respectively. After completing MSc in Physics from Ravenshaw College, Cuttack in 1985, you obtained a PGDCA from Utkal University in 1986. Immediately after finishing your studies, you began working as a computer programmer at Bhubanananda Odisha School of Engineering, Bose, in 1987, where you played a key role in establishing the institute's computer center. Later, while working at NIC, you earned an executive MBA from the Indian Institute of Business Management, Chennai in 2009. Your career with NIC began when you joined as a District Informatics Associate on September 29, 1988 at NIC Odisha State Centre. Following a brief training period at NIC Bhubaneswar, you were posted at NIC District Centre, Dhenkanal, where you contributed to the implementation of the NCRMS, Natural Calamities and Relief Management System, pilot project. The Village Code Information System, VCIS, you developed received high praise from both NIC State and Headquarters. Additionally, you developed a District Development Information System, which was commended by the then Collector and PD, DRDA, for its utility in preparing the district plan. When NIC recruited for Scientific Officer, Engineer SB, you were selected and joined NIC Bhubaneswar on February 19, 1994. After a brief posting as DIO, Sundargarh, you became DIO, Angul on May 26, 1994. You successfully established a state-of-the-art NIC District Centre at Angul, creating an independent office building with 6 rooms and a total floor area of 2,000 square feet within the Collectorate campus. NIC Angul soon became a hub for major e-governance activities, implementing numerous ICT projects. You served as DIO Angul for a distinguished tenure of 30 years. In January 1995, you prepared the DIS-NIC Plan Project Report for Angul, which was selected as a pilot district. Data entry was conducted at the grassroots level for 15 sectors, including health, education, drinking water, transport, power, industry, land use, and irrigation. Your efforts were highly appreciated by the Collector, Planning and Coordination Department, and NIC Headquarters. A major initiative under your leadership was the design and development of the e-Gazetteer of the new Angul district, inaugurated by Shri Naveen Patnaik, then Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha. This was the first of its kind in the state, reflecting the history, people, culture, economy, agriculture, industry, and infrastructure of the modern Angul district. Another significant project was the Land Records Project, taken as a pilot project in Angul district by the Department of IT, Government of India. Bhurek 3.0 was designed, developed, and implemented in Angul district, and later rolled out statewide. Thanks to your active participation, citizen interface counters named Sampark were established in all tehsils, with the first Sampark counter inaugurated by Shri M.M. Rajendran, then Honorable Governor of Odisha, at Angul Tehsil. The Land Records Project was also inaugurated by Dr. Devendra Kumar Pradhan, then Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture, Odisha, at Talcher Tehsil. The successful implementation of Land Records Project earned Angul District the Bhumi Samman Award in 2023, presented by Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Angul was also a pilot district for the implementation of ORAS, Odisha Registration Information System, by the Department of IT, Government of India, where you played a key role in its successful implementation and subsequent rollout across the state. You were also involved in the Agriculture Scheme Monitoring System, which monitored various agricultural schemes such as private irrigation subsidies, farm mechanization, input distribution, soil conservation, and watershed development. This initiative was highly appreciated by the district administration and the government of Odisha. Under your leadership, the design and development of websites for Angul District, Government College Angul, and Angul District Police were accomplished and well received. You also successfully implemented the online reservation of Black Diamond Museum Complex in Angul. As the IT Nodal Officer of the district for the simultaneous General Election 2024, you provided support for the successful implementation of Polling Personnel Management System (PPMS) and various ECI apps, ensuring free and fair elections. In addition to these achievements, you have successfully implemented over 50 national and state-level ICT projects in the district, including IRAD, Land Acquisition, E-Abkari, IVFRT, CCTNS, DAMS, E-District, and E-Panchayat Sabha. Your significant contributions to e-governance at the grassroots level earned you the eGov Champion Award for 2013-14 on UN Public Service Day, June 23, 2013. You have also been felicitated by the district administration, various institutions, and other departments on multiple occasions. As a DIO, your numerous accomplishments at both national and state levels will inspire future generations of NIC district officers. Sir, as a God-loving person, you have performed your official duty with due dignity and diligence, serving the nation. Your pleasing personality, genuine, caring, loving attitude will always be treasured and cherished by the NIC Ians of Odisha. With our sincere and hearty wishes of gratitude, wish you a peaceful, blissful and healthy life, with our love and prayers, National Informatics Center, Odisha.